I'm going to go over the 3 components that usually go out in your furnace. Understanding these 3 components will save you a lot of money having to get a technician come out, okay? So first one, guys, first component or switch is called is an air pressure switch, which is this thing, and it's located right here in the furnace. You can see right in front when you open the electrical panel, okay? Now, the air pressure switch, just cover a little bit of understanding of it, is a safety device that monitor airflow to prevent hazard, like ensure proper venting of exhaust gases. So pretty much it's a safety feature. All these components I'm covering, it's going to be pretty much a safety feature that help prevent furnace from overheating or anything bad happening, right? The next one is a limit switch, which is this thing right here, guys. And the limit switch is located right there. You can see right in the back. So again, all these are very easy to access. You can change them out, swap them out. But a furnace limit switch is a safety device that prevents overheating by shutting off the burners if the temperature gets too high, okay? So that's what that one does. Now the next one is a roll-out switch, which is this one right here. And this is located up here in this furnace. This is a Bryant Furnace, guys. So if you are asking what model is this, let me zoom in for you guys. It's a Bryant Furnace. Now pretty much all the furnaces are designed similar with the components, but of course the style, the engineering structure of it is different, but your components, like your safety feature, all the furnaces will have all 3 of these. But the roll-out switch is a safety device that monitors for excess heat up here near the burner. So you can see this is where the Bryant Furnace burner is, and hence the roll-out switch is right there, okay? So with my furnace, I'm getting a cold, like I showed you earlier, I'm getting a cold, what is it, 30, yeah, 31. So I know my limit switch is bad. And I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with this. And you can tell also if your limit switch is bad, is you can do a voltage test, or just take this out and blow in it. Because if you blow in it, hope my light went off here. Let me turn my light back on. How can you tell if your limit switch is bad? A couple ways you can determine if it's bad is you can blow in it and you can't hear it flapping, because where there's a pressure in there, it goes back and forth. If you can't hear it flapping, that means it's bad. It's locked up and the electrical component's out. Like this one, I know that because I took it out. I tried to blow it, I didn't hear anything. But you can hear, if you can hear it flapping, it's working, okay? Same thing with all these. You can use a voltage test to determine they're bad or not, okay? And on this flame roll-out, usually there's a press the center reset. And if that doesn't work, that means you have to test it, do a voltage test, or just replace it. But in this case, I know it's my pressure switch because I'm getting a cold 31. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that right now. It's going to take about a couple minutes to fire up. Usually first stage, you got the blower, and then you got your inducer here that turns on. After inducer, the blowers, I'm sorry, igniters, they turn on. So this is on. So we'll wait here. Here's your LED right now. It's, again, it's blinking. It's delayed, and you want to count 1, 2. So code 12, you can see here, which is a normal code. Blower on after power up, so it's normal code. And here it goes. Getting solid light, but the burner's not kicking on. Oh, there it goes. Let's see, it's working. So that was the issue. Thanks for watching, guys, and that's how you fix it.